Hi, I'm Cori for My College Timeline. You just found your Everything College Prep app. We know how hard the whole college process can be, and that's why we created My College Timeline. And our app makes it way easier. My College Timeline puts you on track with your own timeline. You can access hundreds of on-demand videos and in-demand college experts, get the insider college prep how-tos and need-to-know facts. Freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior will walk you forward step by step to give you the best shot at your best fit college dreams. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. To get started, just go to My College Timeline, then click the green Get Started Now button. This is where you can create your free account in under a minute. So for this demo, let's pretend I'm a student in 9th grade and my name is Natalie Jones. I'll put in my email address and mobile number to get important college prep alerts, choose a password, and type in the name of my high school. You can see as I type that it'll find my school's name. Then I enter the year I graduate from high school and click Create My College Timeline. Then I see My College Timeline. Now, before I start looking at the timeline, there's one thing I want to do really quickly. I'm going to click here so I can upload a photo of me. So I'll click Choose File, then select a good picture of me, then click Upload File. Okay, great. Now that I can see that my photo has been uploaded, when I go back out to my timeline, I can see my photo now appears as my avatar on the timeline. Another helpful feature is when I click on my picture, my timeline zooms in for a closer look at my individual tasks. And plus, I always know where I am in my timeline. All right, so now let's start the tour. This is my college timeline. These are my dream colleges. And this is the journey I'll take to get there. Each one of these bars represents 1 week on my college prep journey. If the bar is taller, that means I have more college prep stuff to do that week. If there is no bar, then I don't have any college prep work to do that week. So I can already see where the most work is required and where I can relax a little bit. If I put my mouse over one of the bars, I see the tasks I'll do that week. If I select one of the tasks, then I'll zoom in on the timeline so I can see more details. This is the zoomed in view of the timeline where you can see each of your individual tasks. This is the task I'm viewing now. Each task has a video, and on the right, some questions and activities that are related to that video. This is really important. In the task section, make sure you answer each question and complete each activity in order to turn your timeline green and stay on track. When I've completed the tasks in a week, the dot for that week turns green. Now, when I go back to the zoomed out view, I see that the bar has also turned green. Over the next 4 years, my avatar will move down the timeline towards my goal. If I'm late on completing any task, then the bar will be red until I complete it. I want to see all green bars behind me in my timeline. If I see all green, then I know I'm 100% on track for getting into college. It's that simple. Bars that are gray are in the future. I don't need to think about them yet. I can skip ahead and preview what's coming up in my timeline, but in terms of doing actual work, I only need to focus on the one next task. This makes my entire college prep journey much easier and less stressful. This is where I get important alerts. For example, college prep dates that are coming up that I can't afford to miss. There's a search bar so I can easily search for topics from a library of hundreds of college prep videos. I can click here to easily access the My College Timeline YouTube channel. I can subscribe to the channel so I can get all the latest videos sent directly to my phone. And I can click this menu to open up a bunch of powerful tools that I can use throughout my college prep journey. For example, Dashboard. I use it to track important things like my grades, which extracurricular activities I do each year, and any AP classes that I might be taking. I can track my scores on any college entrance exams I take, including the PSAT, ACT, and SAT. There's also a tool called Schools, which I can use to find the best fit college for me based on my unique personality. When I get to 12th grade, there's a tool I can use to track the applications I send to each college. There's a tool for finding and managing scholarships and an easy way to manage my financial aid by connecting directly to the federal FAFSA form. One of the great things is that I can invite a parent, family member, counselor, or mentor or teacher to share my timeline with them. Anyone who may be helping me with my college prep. As a high school student, we know you love your phone, so I love that the platform is mobile friendly. For example, I can go here to connect my mobile phone so I can receive all of my college prep alerts via text message. And I can use my phone to complete a task while I'm out and about. So to sum it up, with my college timeline, I have everything I need for college prep right where I need it, including access to hundreds of training videos in the timeline and a set of tools to make everything easier. That's how easy it is to use my college timeline. It keeps you on track as you step through your journey towards college over the next 4 years. And by starting in 9th grade, you have a huge advantage. I'll see you again on your college timeline. Thanks, guys.